Episode 436. Microsoft launches $2.5 billion AI company.
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Today's big AI story comes from Microsoft, and it signals a major shift in how the company wants to sell artificial intelligence. The goal is simple: help companies move from AI experimentation to measurable business results. Hello, and you're very welcome back to AI6, the podcast that is on a mission to upskill 500,000 people for free and in just 6 minutes a day. Remember, on Saturdays, we have the long listen. And if you want to join me on the show, send me a DM on LinkedIn. So Microsoft has launched Microsoft Frontier Company, a new operating business backed by a $2.5 billion investment and 6,000 industry and engineering experts embedded with customers. And they want to help companies move from AI experimentation to getting those business results that everyone is so frustrated that they're not getting with AI. So Microsoft is betting their money in AI and not just building models or selling software. It wants to help companies actually deploy AI inside the messy reality of business systems, internal data, compliance rules, day-to-day operations, and humans who do not want to transform. According to Microsoft, the new unit will work with customers to co-design, deploy, and continuously improve AI systems at scale. In plain English, that means Microsoft is moving into the consulting and implementation layer of AI, not just the software layer. The company says the new business will combine deep industry knowledge, change management, and enterprise-grade AI engineering. It's also positioning the venture as a way to protect customer intellectual property while helping clients get more value from their AI investments. Because one of the biggest reasons AI projects stall is that companies can't bridge the gap between promising demos and production-ready systems. We know from research that businesses have spent the last couple of years experimenting with generative AI. But many are now asking the question, where's our return on investment? Microsoft says customers are past the experimentation stage and are now focused on business outcomes. The move also reflects a wider trend in enterprise AI. Tech companies are no longer just competing to offer the best model or chatbot. They're competing to become the default partner for adoption, integration, and long-term support. In that sense, Microsoft Frontier Company looks like a strategic answer to a very practical business problem. Microsoft says the new company will be led by Rodrigo Queda Lima, who has been named president of Microsoft Frontier Company. The announcement also highlights early partnerships and customer examples, showing that Microsoft wants this to look less like a concept and more like a live commercial strategy. So what should we take from this? Well, the AI race is entering potentially a new phase. The next battleground is about implementation, workflow integration, and whether AI can produce real, measurable value inside companies and organizations. So, what do you think about Microsoft's Frontier AI company? Is this something that you would look to have a conversation with? Can they solve businesses' problems of getting ROI on artificial intelligence? I guess, my friends, time will tell. That's it for today's show. If you're ready to turn these insights into skills, here's how I can help. Get your copy of my book, AI Playbook, on Amazon. It's the perfect companion to the show. For weekly AI strategies, subscribe to my newsletter, Human in the Loop, on LinkedIn. Or if you want to take the next big step, you can take our CPD accredited professional diploma in AI. Maybe you need something more tailored for your organization. You can book a call in my calendar at digitaltraining.ie. Or if you work in government or public sector, go over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. If you found this episode useful, please share it with a pro that you know. And I'd love to read your comments on Spotify. And if you can, take a second to like, rate, or subscribe wherever you listen. It really helps the show. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.